Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Today we're making this juice that I consider long life juice because of the benefits of beetroot and in combination with watermelon. This watermelon rolled from the countertop to the floor and it smashed. I wasn't ready to use it, but since it was like this, I decided to make this juice that promotes longevity. Now, let me tell you a few things about beetroot, which you can also look up yourself. Beetroots are excellent for promoting long life and healthy aging because they support cardiovascular health. In simple terms, if you want to keep high blood pressure far away from you, reduce the risk of age-related dementia, and have better stamina in your old age, make beetroot your friend. And the time to start is now. There are so many ways to use beets, but juicing, that's my favorite. For this watermelon and beetroot juice recipe, I will be using 2 small beets. If you have the large one, I think one is okay. So I have washed the beet and I will peel off the skin, and everything is what you can see on my palm. So I'll add this to the watermelon and this is ready for juicing just like it is. If you don't have a juicer and still want to enjoy the benefit of this beetroot and watermelon juice, what you can do is to blend up the ingredients, both watermelon and beetroot. Blend them up very smooth, and then you can use a cheesecloth to extract the juice, but make sure everything you use is clean. But if you can, get a juicer like this, my Relox Slow juicer, and you'll be in for enjoyment non-stop. Now our watermelon and beetroot juice is ready. You can have this right away with some ice, and if you intend to have it for longer, you can store in bottles and put them in the freezer. This was so good. I hope you try this recipe for health and for enjoyment. I will see you very soon with another juice recipe. Please like and subscribe for more recipes like this.